Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your robot with Binance, how to hook up your robot with the Binance exchange so you would be able to trade it within QubitTech. So I'm going to show you every single step, and of course the first step is you creating an account with Binance. Okay, that's the very first step. You have to register, you have to set up your 2FA, and you would have to fill in your details and do the registration. And the next step is you sending crypto or any fiat currency into the Binance platform. Okay, what you can later, of course, exchange into Bitcoin if you choose to come in with the fiat currency. But I came in with Bitcoin, so how I deposited, I'm going to show you how I did it. So deposit crypto, that's what I picked. So I deposited some Bitcoin into the platform, so when you go in there, you can just scan your QR code with your phone and send the Bitcoin into Binance using the QR code, or you can just copy the Bitcoin address and you can send the funds over there. It usually takes an hour, but depending on how blockchain, how busy blockchain is, it can be a bit longer, it can be a bit less. For me, it took an hour to receive the funds into my Binance account. Okay, so it all depends what time you are doing it. Usually in the mornings, I'm sure it's a little bit less busy, but I did it later in the evening, so that's why it took me an hour probably. So anyway, the next step is obviously you check that you got your Bitcoin fine, and the next step is that you would have to trade your crypto, convert your crypto into USD Tether. Okay, so USDT Tether, which is a coin. So from Bitcoin, I'm going to exchange to Tether, as you can see, and I'm going to choose the maximum amount, of course, and I'm going to click Preview Conversion. And it just gives you a few seconds to accept, and you can view your status of your transaction. Okay, so it was successful, it's all done. So that's perfect. So everything is in USDT now. So what you do is you go back to your back office in QubitTech, you click on Robots under Menu, and of course you can see the two kinds of robots that we have right now, the flat robot and the trend robot. We are going to have the smart robot. It's not out yet, but it's going to be another robot in the future. Since I had my $1,000 digital license, I earned a free robot, so I didn't have to pay the $390. If you want to buy the robot separately and you don't have a $1,000 digital license, of course you can do that too. You would have to pay the $390, and you would be able to purchase the robot, the flat robot or the trend robot, whichever you prefer. There is not much of a difference. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click Settings next to my robot here, which is my flat robot, and you will see settings here. So of course, this exchange platform I'm going to use is Binance. You can use Bitfinex. If you have Bitfinex, you can use Bitfinex, but in this case, of course, I'm going to do it with Binance because that's the account I have. That's the exchange account I have. So what I do is I go back to my Binance here, and I would need two keys. Okay, I would need the API key and I would need a secret key in order to set up and hook up my robot to Binance. I need these special keys in order to start trading with my robot. I need to have that. It's absolutely essential to set it up. So what I do is I go to my profile, and under profile in Binance I click on API management. Okay, and that's where I go. And what it will ask you is to label your API key. Okay, so you can label it anything. Make sure you just remember that what it belongs to. So that key belongs to that certain platform. So I just label it Dora Flat Robot. Okay, and then the system, Binance, will send you a code to your email address that you registered with. Okay, and also you have to paste the code in there, and also you have to paste your 2FA code in there, what you generated when you created your Binance account. Okay, after you have these, you would have to click submit. Okay, so all my 2 keys are up there, but I'm not going to show you for security reasons. But the API key and the security key are all there, both of them separately. They are all marked and labeled, so you cannot miss them. Okay, so what you can do, you can paste those keys separately into the settings. Okay, and after you've done that, you would have to click edit key. Perfect, and it says key was edited successfully, and then it will add the keys automatically for you. Okay, after you pasted them. So you can choose the risk. I chose medium risk. There is low, medium, and high. I chose the BTC USDT pair that it's going to be trading for, that it's going to be trading in, because I funded my Binance with BTC and then I exchanged it to USDT. If you joined with Ethereum, obviously, and then you exchange your Ethereum into USDT, then of course you would choose the Ethereum and USDT pair. My time frame is going to be 4 hours, and of course I would have to say how much I would like to trade. What is the USDT amount that I'm willing to trade with that robot? Okay, and in this case, it's going to be 1014 USDT that I'm going to be trading with this robot. Okay, so of course there is the trade size, which is obviously showing that it's 7% average per month that this robot is going to be trading. And all you have to do after that is just start your robot. Simple as that. It's very, very easy and straightforward. So you click start robot, and there you go. Your robot started working. Okay, you can stop it anytime if there is something sudden happens and for some reason you would have to stop it. But of course, you know, the main thing here is to trade it all the time as much as possible. So anyway, I hope this information was useful. This is how you set up your robot with QubitTech. And if you need any help, just reach out to me or Marcos Caleb, and we will be happy to help you. Make sure you share it with your teams or your friends, and I hope you are having a good day. Bye-bye.